Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, I will explain about what is multi-programming batch operating system. Okay, before discussing multi-programming batch operating system, in last class we discussed what is batch operating system. In batch operating system, the CPU will be idle because of the speed of device is slower. Okay, here based on this reason only, this multi-programming operating system is evaluated. Okay, this is the this is the drawback of this simple batch system. To overcome this problem, there is a multi-programming batch operating system. Here, what happened? Here, the system or sorry, the processor or CPU never will be idle. Okay, in batch multi-batching system, one job is executing, then job 2 is idle. Okay, it means at a time only one job has to be executed in batch operating system. But here multi-programming batch systems, here no need to wait for another while one job is executing, no need to wait for another job. Here in multi-programming batch system, it picks the jobs from the memory only. Okay, here the jobs are stored in the memory. Here it will directly take from the memory for execution. CPU never be idle, always keep programming the jobs. Okay, here what is meaning of the meaning is that a multi-programming batch system, when one job is executing, okay, at the time immediately, if the job is completed, immediately the processor or CPU will be executed another job. Okay, here the CPU or processor never idle for waiting for the jobs. Okay, okay, here if you take for example, you know, Unix programming, OS. Okay, what is meaning of Unix OS means, Unix OS is the one of the operating system which executes only one job at a time, Okay, if you are executing first job, okay, the second job and up to n jobs will be in waiting stage. Okay, this is the Unix operating system. What is meaning of multi-programming OS? Here this type of operating system will execute multi programs at a time, multiple programs at a time. Okay, there is no idle time. Okay, if there is no idle time, if any, that is also very less. Okay, I will explain with a suitable example here. For example, I am taking here a program. Sorry, I am taking a example program A. How it executing in Unix OS, and I will also, okay, program A. Okay, if I run program A, what happened here? The Unix operating system will be executes only one program at a time. So it executes like this. Okay, first stage, sometime the program will be executed runtime. After that, it will be waiting stage. Okay, after some time again it will be starts the running, again it will be waiting stage. This is the timeline. Okay, like this in Unix OS. And what about multi operating systems? In multi operating systems, what I told you here, multiple programs will be execute at a time. So here I am taking here program A and program B. How these two will be executed here? Program A, program B, and program B. Here, when the first program is running, at the time the second program in waiting stage. Okay, when this is waiting, at the time it is running. Actually, here no need to give this box. Okay, when it is running, it is waiting, and it is waiting, and it is running. And when again it started running, it is waiting. When it is waiting, it will start running. Okay, again this is the timeline. Okay, this is about the multi programming. Okay, if you combine these two also, how it will be like? If you combine these two also, the operating system, okay, it is running A, running B. Okay, there should be some waiting stage, na? Little bit. Okay, wait, again run A, running B, again wait, like this. Okay, it will be like this in multi-programming batch system. Suppose if you take multiple programs, okay, ఇప్పుడు ఎలా వస్తుంది చూడండి ఒకసారి. Suppose if you take multiple programs for program A, program A కి ఎలా వస్తుంది? In first one is running, then waiting, again program A, and here program B, and here program C. Okay, we will see here when it is running, it is waiting, then it will be running. Then what about this one? See here, waiting, here it will start running. Okay, after running here, A will be starts the running stage, and up to this period is waiting. Again it is waiting, it starts the running, again waiting. And what about this one? This will be waiting up to here it will start the running. Okay, if you combine these three, okay, combine all three programs A, B, and C. Now we'll check. Okay, what is the combined method? What is the combined answer? If you combine these three, the line will be like this. Next, what is the output here? First, run A, run B, run C. Okay, here there should be some little amount of the time for waiting stage. Again it starts the run A, run B, run C, again waiting stage. Okay, like this. Okay, this is about multi-programming batch operating system. Okay, in simple terms, multi-programming operating system is nothing but to overcome single batch operating system, it is developed. ఓకే, ఇన్ సింగిల్ బ్యాచ్ సిస్టంలో మనకి వెయిటింగ్ టైం ఉంటుంది. అక్కడ మనకి ఆ వెయిటింగ్ టైం ఒక ప్రాసెసర్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యేంత వరకు ఇంకొక టాస్క్ అనేది వెయిట్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి దెర్ ఇస్ ఏ మల్టీ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఇస్ డెవలప్డ్. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏమవుతుందంటే మల్టీ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టంలో ఒక సేమ్ టైంలో మల్టిపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. దానికోసము ఇది ఒక అడ్వాంటేజ్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇచ్చారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సింగిల్ టాస్క్ సింగిల్ యూజర్ సిస్టంలో ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏ అనేది ఫస్ట్ కాసేపు రన్ అవుతుంది, వెయిటింగ్ అవుతుంది, అగైన్ రన్నింగ్, అగైన్ వెయిటింగ్. అదే మల్టిపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ వచ్చేసరికి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏ అండ్ బి, ఓకే చూడండి, కంబైన్ స్టేజ్లో ఏ రన్ అవుతుంది, బి రన్ అవుతుంది, లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ ది వెయిటింగ్ స్టేజ్, ఏ రన్ అవుతుంది, బి రన్ అవుతుంది, ఇలాగా. అదే ఇక్కడైతే ఓన్లీ ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ని ఒకసారి రన్ చేస్తాము. ఇది బిగ్, ఇది ఇక్కడ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ with 3 programs. Okay, this is the combined stage. A running, B running, C running. Little bit of the waiting stage. A running, B running, C running. This is the multi-programming batch operating system. Okay, if you see, this is the single user, single task operating system. Okay, I hope you all are understood about my class. Okay, all of you please like my videos and share with your classmates and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Okay, thank you everyone.
నా ఛానల్ పేరు గుర్తుందిగా, ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్